Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Grandma's Cookbook, where today we're making something called grape-nut pudding. Since it's the beginning of the year and maybe a lot of people have healthy resolutions, why not do something as healthy as grape nuts, which is something I haven't had in a very long time and very much remind me of dehydrated hamburger meat. But enough of that. Let's get right into this week's edition of Grandma's Cookbook, where we make grape-nut pudding. As you see, this recipe is pretty brief, so let's get right to it. To start, you'll need to beat up 3 eggs. To that, add 3 cups of milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and 1/2 cup grape nuts. Then stir it all together. And as you saw, there isn't anything else on here except bake at 350, so I decided to add a baking dish to the recipe. And as far as the time went, I went with about 35 minutes, and this is what came out. And how's the taste? Honestly, I got flashbacks to that amazing coconut pie I had a couple of months ago. Way too much egg. Way too much egg. Nowhere near enough grape nuts to make this matter. Honestly, just have a bowl of grape nuts. And that's going to do it for this week. Thank you all for watching. I will see you next week for another edition of Grandma's Cookbook.